Hello everyone! Today, I would like to try some bilabial and labiodental sounds. Let's check my pronouns. Bilabial sounds are speech sounds created by bringing both lips together to block or constrict the airflow. Bilabial sound divide into three: nasals, plosive, and glides. For plosive, the lips form a complete closure, blocking the air, and then the air is released sharply. For the example is P sound, like p, 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 pat, pat, pink, put. Next is B sound, like b, 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 ball, bear, blue. For nasals, the air is blocked by the lips but it's direct out through the nose. For the example is M sound, like mine, mat, mat, map, mood. For the next is labiodental sounds. These are produced by bringing the lower lips to the upper teeth. Labiodental divide into two: voiceless and voiced. Voiceless is the lower lip likely touch the upper teeth and the air is pushed through the narrow opening, creating friction and without vibration of the vocal cords. For the example is F sound, F, 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 like fall, roof, failing. Next is voiced. The air is pushed out, but this time, your vocal cords vibrate. For the example, V sound, V, 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 fan, visit, love, voiced, vocal, vibrate. So, that's all bilabial and labiodental sounds from me. Correct me if I'm wrong. Thanks for listening.